To the Agile Night. Today we are going to discuss about the role of business analyst in artificial intelligence. As you all well aware about, business analysis is all about understanding the requirements of the customer by understanding their business problem, followed by the goal, vision, all that. Providing solutions, which is something beneficial to the customer, is something essentially important for any BA in any of the organization. Nowadays, importance of business analyst is phenomenally increasing in each and every stage of any of the enterprises nowadays, irrespective of the domain and irrespective of technology. Hence, the same way nowadays, due to the phenomenal increase of usage in reference to the artificial intelligence, which world is moving towards that area. Role of a business analyst is also equally important in the field of artificial intelligence is all about. So first of all, I would like to explain what exactly an artificial intelligence is all about. So this is the one which is something useful to the people who are new to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, nothing but whatever the amount of work which will be done by the human intervention that can be compensated with the machines and systems. This is what normally artificial intelligence is all about. But normally artificial intelligence is a high-end thing. So prior to that, there is a concept called RPA. Of course, the full form of RPA is called robotic process automation. Robotic process automation is also a part of artificial intelligence, but not by using any robots or something. We have software boards, something like UiPath, OpenSpan, at the same time Blue Prism, right? So different tools we have nowadays. So using those tools and all, whatever the process and whatever the activities we were doing and all, that can be automated using it. That's what generally the concept of robotic process automation, so that it decreases the human intervention, because whatever the activities a human is performing, so that can be automated. Few processes can be automated. For example, we are applying a loan eligibility, whether online, right? So what is that we do? We give minimum information on the system. So whatever the basic information which system is asking, based on it, it will give you whether are we eligible or not to the extent possible, not to the full extent. So this is one way of example which I can give you in reference to the RPA process. So there is a robotic process automation which was already been designed earlier, and it was recorded, so that whatever the activity or whatever the inputs a customer is giving, end of the day system is giving reply to us. So this is also RPA is a part of artificial intelligence, but artificial intelligence will be the next level, where you require different systems, right? So different NLPs, natural language processings, at the same time speech recognition, machine learning, all these things comes under artificial intelligence. So all the organizations, especially healthcare, supply chain, banking, insurance, retail, all the organizations nowadays were transforming their services slowly towards artificial intelligence and all, which is something happening slowly one by one. This is what generally artificial intelligence is all about. Now, when you talk about the role of a business analyst, what is that we need to understand here will be divided into 4 different things. One is about machine learning, something which business analyst should understand it, because machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence, of course. This is something which is being used for us to differentiate and as well as to prepare effective results and all, as well as insights when someone wants to analyze the business process, all that. Being a business analyst, when you are trying to analyze some business process and all to give an effective results and as well as insights, this machine learning is something useful to us. So I don't say that expertise of machine learning is something essentially needed, but basic understanding of machine learning is will be helpful for us when we are performing our career in artificial intelligence for any business analyst. Next, domain knowledge and domain exposure is also required, because different sectors like healthcare, supply chain management, telecom, banking, insurance, retail, all these organizations nowadays, in order to target their potential customers and at the same time to provide effective business process and solutions and all that, so they are even moving to artificial intelligence. Sometime back I have told you the same thing even. That's the reason why knowledge about the domain is also helpful for any business analyst to perform to the next level. Next, understanding the requirements, how requirements to be understood, what are the different requirements we have, how to define those requirements, how to classify the requirements, all that. This is also essentially needed. Apart from that, artificial intelligence, that is what the major concept is, what we are discussing is all about. Understanding the core concepts of artificial intelligence. At the same time, what are the different models and as well as processes nowadays we are using, something like machine learning or NLPs or something like. So that sort of idea is also required for any BA. Now, when you talk about what are the different roles and responsibilities being a business analyst we are performing here are as follows. When we talk about the responsibilities of a BA in reference to the AI part, one is about, as I mentioned some time back, understanding the basic concepts of artificial intelligence and machine learning components and all, everything is required. This is point number one. Next, you need to have some understanding level about predicting the future trends for a particular service or else as a product, wherein so that whatever the requirements to be required to endorse and all, everything, that approaching of requirements is also possible here. At the same time, preparing requirements document, not only like features and all that, so some functional, non-functional requirements, all that stuff. Why? Because these requirements will be again turned into technical requirements in future, so that sort of knowledge is also required. So document preparation is also part of BA, which is there from the beginning. Of course, that's not something different, as I said, that is needed. At the same time, expertise in data gathering. At the same time, whatever the meaningful analysis are we doing in reference to the functionalities itself is concerned, some sort of data gathering knowledge is also essentially required for any BA. To make our discussion simple, being a business analyst, whatever the basic requirements being a BA we do, like understanding the requirements, providing solutions, those kind of skill sets is essentially needed. Apart from that, concepts of artificial intelligence, machine learning, NLP, at the same time knowing about data gathering and all that. So these are the major concepts which being a BA we must be acquire if you want to make our career towards artificial intelligence and all, everything based upon the needs and as well as the interest. This is all about the introduction about this. If you have any queries in reference to this, at the same time any training needs in reference to the BA and as well as AI related stuff, so please reach out to our contact details, which will be posted below to this video. Thank you.